Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 66. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the story. Shangi, right now, she was rushing to. The setting was on the hospital. Can it be safe? Yes, it can be safe. Well, everyone has been rattled, but Shangi, look at her. She seems to be stressed. I haven't been able to give her the autograph photo yet. Well, she was right. No, what Shangi is doing such an emergency situation, just standing there like an, well, it seems that there's a person who is not satisfied with the acting skill of Shangi. Well, it makes sense, right? Since it was really emergency and the patient that she's been talking a few hours ago suddenly at this moment as on the deathbed. Well, it's okay now, but need to monitor it closely today. Call me immediately. If you have any questions, it's okay now, but I need to monitor it closely today. Yamos said to the other doctor. Well, the person said, I know, teacher Ye. Well, it seems that Yemao, she has been respected on the hospital, and as a senior, of course, she need to take care of juniors. Come to my lunch, Yemao suddenly said to Shangi. Well, could it be that she noticed something that Shangi, she seems to be feeling unwell. That's why she really wanted to got her attention. Also, she really wanted to see her on a lunch. Now, Shangi, waiting on the lunch, could it be that she is really exhausted and also terrified on the situations that happen today? She does not expect that things can go wrong easily. Drink some hot water and take rest here if you feel uncomfortable. Now, Shangi said things. Finally, she accepted the help of Dr. Yemo. As at moment, look at her. She seems to be. She is still not in good condition, even though Dr. Yemo is really approaching her and touching her hands. Well, this time, she is not really bothered about this, but it seems that there's really a deeper meaning of it. As the patients in bed 12 has been confirmed to have been rescued, I shouldn't there be any problems later. It's stable now, Yamo said to her. But life is unpredictable and doctors dare not to give anyone any guarantees, Dr. Yemo said to her. Now, Shangi, she's been calling. Yemo, is this the daily life you have to face? Well, she was right about this. She can say that being a doctor, it's really difficult. Yemo said, yes, now, you know, when I was a student, I have the concept of life and death. Later, when I went to hospital for residency, there was a patient whose condition suddenly became serious, just like today. Yemo suddenly said. Another doctor and I tried to save the patients for 2 hours, but we couldn't bring him back. That was the first time I faced it. Yemo, she seems to be getting sad. After telling her about her story back then, well, it seems to be. People don't die when they get older, they can die at any time, so cherish the present moment. Oh, seeing the separations of life and death makes people feel so depressed. Hope everyone can live a long life, Yemo said to her. Well, this really got sad on her. Shang Shang, don't be sad. You can rely on me. Did I miss something? How can it be so cold? Wait, what did Dr. Yes says before? Could it be that the person who wants to reconcile is Shang-Yi? Where's my butler? Someone check. Always bet like the five. Between these two, a real savol, one of the fans said. Now, looking at Shang-Yi, she was staggering. Well, thank you, suddenly said. Well, Shang-Yi, at this moment, she seems to be getting depressed. She don't know what to do. I also promised to Vet12 that I would give her granddaughter an autograph photo of me. I'll go over and have a look first. Shang-Yi, she's been into herself. she remembered her family. The grandmother, when the two of them were talking, now she stood up. Yemao, she's not stopping her, but she continued to stare at her. Probably, she really wanted to assure us that everything will be fine, but we don't know yet since it was too early. Well, let's hope. There's no bad thing happened on Grandma. Yemao and Shangi had actually dated before. Seriously, they were in a relationship. Now it makes sense. The fans, they're really getting crazy about the sheep. Well, could it be that this time they're really going after them? Two pairs of girls in one variety show explosion. It's considered a two-way journey only. When two people have feelings for each other, Yes and Shangi is suspected to be a former lover. Now, everyone seems to be getting crazy about the news. Well, it seems that one thing also see the news. What is she going to do? Why are these two fabrics getting worse and worse, rough and earthy? Now, she's being irritable. Could it be that this time, Shirley can think about what will happen to Yemo and also Shangi since the two of them are started filming until she realized she won't open her cell phone. A certain plug suspected to be a lover. Well, this is really interesting. Now, it really piques her attention. Could it be that it's Shangi and also Dr. Yemao? They're being posted online. The two of them are really getting closer to each other. On the set of the movie, well, she must really getting jealous for this, but let's see if she can able to trust Shang itself. Now, one thing, I have been busy looking for new fabric suppliers recently, and Shangi has also been busy preparing for announcement. Well, she was right about this. Since the two of them are always busy, they don't have to be together. We haven't seen each other since our last fight in the office, and we barely even sent messages. Now, look at her, it was an empty. But right now, can she really coax her to get her back again? Well, when I left, I realized that you're my heart's home, sharing from Tang Ting. I'm a bit obsessed with you. Well, she continued to text her, but for Changi, she's not her flying. This is not a good thing, right? Since she doesn't know what's gonna happen on the setting. Probably, she always got jealous by the presence of her friend. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you for joining membership, Estel Mira. Thank you for joining today.